This is gonna be a bike ride from my neighborhood to Oñate High School. We are on Reynolds Drive right now. We're going about 10 miles per hour. And this is my first biking video. My dad has filmed many biking videos. There's the gas for less. Now near this spot right here, back in 2007, 6 years ago in mid-July, I had a pretty serious accident right here. Fell down, I was going too fast, my bike was wobbling too much, I was going the speed I'm going right now. And I crashed, luckily my helmet saved me, and I did not get a concussion or anything. But my legs were scraped up pretty bad, and my lip too, so luckily that hasn't happened since. Staff and visitor parking over here. For buses. Let's go to the parent drop-off. And I guess every evening, Friday evening, they run these sprinklers. I remember coming through this about a year ago and the sprinklers were on. Let's get a look closer to the building. Now this is for the buses. Oh look, there's my dad over there. Here's Mary for the dumpster truck. And there's the track and field area.